Thanks for clicking the video. So you will learn how to upload Instagram story from your laptop or PC. First of all, open any browser from your PC. Then log in your Instagram account. Then right click and click the inspect and select from here iPhone 12 Pro or any. Make sure you are in the home page. Here is your story, but we don't have any option to upload, so we will refresh it. Then a plus icon will appear. Then click here and we will upload our story image from our desktop or laptop. Just select and open. Then click add your story, and from here we can customize it, text, color or sticker. Then we will click add to your story. Then check it. Yes, our story is working from our PC. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you will subscribe my channel. Thank you.